is the secret of the successful people. This is what I've committed my life to doing. I told my mom when I was 16 years old, one day I'm gonna be successful. One day I'm gonna be successful, and one day I'm gonna help a lot of people.
Grant Cardone, a renowned businessman and motivational speaker, skyrocketed to fame by applying the principles of massive action. In the 10x rule, he reveals the secret to achieving unprecedented success by multiplying your efforts and thoughts by 10. Intrigued? Stay tuned as we break down the key lessons and share real life examples to help you apply these principles and achieve massive success. Let's get started. Point 1. Success and effort. Success is achieved by the ability to estimate the right amount of effort necessary for you and your team to achieve a goal. Many of us fall short because we underestimate the effort required. Here's an example. Think about launching a startup. You might plan to work hard, but real success often demands 10 times the effort you initially imagined. To reach your goals, you need to overestimate the effort and prepare to put in 10 times more action. It's about outworking the competition and pushing beyond your limits. Point 2. Understanding the 10x rule. The 10x rule is based on understanding how much effort and thought are required to get anything done successfully. Goals should always move you to a better place or towards an objective you have not yet achieved. Just like a mountaineer sets their sights on a summit they have never reached, you should aim for goals that push you out of your comfort zone. Think big and then multiply that by 10. That's the essence of the 10x rule. Point 3. Mistakes and missteps. Mistakes happen when people try to achieve their goals, such as mistargeting, severely underestimating, spending too much time competing, and underestimating the amount of adversity. Take, for example, a competitive athlete. If they spend all their time worrying about their rivals instead of focusing on their own progress, they miss the mark. The key is to set your own standards high and focus on surpassing them. Point 4. Limiting potential. A person who limits their potential success will limit what they do to create it and keep it. When you underestimate the time, energy, and effort necessary to do something, you will have quit in your mind, voice, posture, face, and presentation. Think about a business pitch. If you haven't put in the 10x effort, it shows. Your audience can sense your lack of confidence and preparation. To truly succeed, you must fully commit with an in it to win it, whatever it takes mindset. Point 5. Mindset of abundance. Unfortunately, most people look at success as though it is somehow a scarcity. But once you decide to take control and increase responsibility, you will start to find successful solutions to making your life better. Success isn't a limited resource. The more you pursue it with relentless effort and a positive mindset, the more you will find. It's taking control and being responsible for your journey. Remember, the 10x rule is about pushing beyond the ordinary and aiming for extraordinary. It's about putting in 10 times the thought, effort, and action. Start applying these principles today and watch your life transform. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more inspiring content.